Hi guys, my name is Maria Serra and I am an immigration attorney in Miami, Florida, and today I wanted to talk about TPS. So TPS is temporary protected status, and it is a temporary status that is afforded to individuals from war-torn countries or countries where there have been natural disasters. And it really is not a path to permanent lawful residence, but it is a protection. So we've seen recently, for example, that Venezuelans, people from Lebanon, people from Afghanistan, and people from Ukraine have been able to benefit from TPS. What happens though if TPS is rescinded? Well, recently you've probably heard that TPS for Venezuelans and yesterday TPS for Haitians has been rescinded, which means that those people that are here that haven't applied for a lawful permanent residence process, maybe because they didn't have the alternative, or maybe because they financially couldn't afford representation, whatever the case may be, those people are going to find themselves out of status in a couple of months when the TPS extensions expire. What can happen to an individual that is in that situation? Well, one of three things can happen. Either they voluntarily go to their home country, or they are placed in a third country, or they go to a third country, or they stay here out of status, and eventually they will be placed in removal proceedings. What can be done now if you were not able to apply for political asylum when you first came to the U.S. or did not have a relative that could petition for you? Well, there's always the option of withholding of removal if you have a reasonable fear of returning to your home country. So if you're Venezuelan and you have a reasonable fear of going back to Venezuela and you can show evidence that your fear is based on, it's well-founded, you could apply for withholding of removal. If you are from Haiti and you had political issues, your opinion, or you were part of demonstrations against the government, you would have the ability to apply for withholding of removal. So all is not lost. I don't want you guys to feel like all is lost. I'm not saying everyone qualifies, but if you qualify and have a legitimate case, then you should move forward and meet with an attorney and proceed ASAP. My phone number for a consultation is 305-859-0872, and I look forward to helping those that I can. Take care.